Welcome to the Eozziebikes NCM Milano assembly video. In this video, we will take you through how to assemble your new NCM Milano e-bike. First, inspect the box and make sure it's free of any damage. Don't worry, each of our bikes is carefully packaged to ensure safe delivery. If you see any bike parts sticking out of the box or notice any damage, please contact our customer service team. Next, open the box and take your e-bike out, resting it standing up using the rear wheel and fork of the bike. If the e-bike is too heavy to lift by yourself, find a friend to help you. Cut away the packing material using scissors, being careful not to damage your new e-bike. First, we're going to install the saddle. Find your saddle in the box and loosen the seat clamp using the hex tool provided with your e-bike. Slide the seat post in and tighten the clamp. Now, we'll install the handlebars. To do this, first remove the stem faceplate using your hex tool. Keep the faceplate nearby. Take your handlebars and make sure the brake cables are correctly aligned on both sides of the bike. Place the handlebars on the stem and tighten the faceplate to it. Make sure the 4 screws are equally tightened and snug without being overly tightened. Next, we're going to put the front wheel onto our bike. Loosen the nuts on the wheel, remove the protective cap on the fork, and insert the front wheel. Ensure the 2 washers sit on the outside of the fork in between the nuts. Now tighten the nuts using the 15mm crescent wrench provided. The front wheel should be secure in the fork and not wiggle around. Now, let's get our pedals installed. To do this, first start by identifying the left and right pedals, which are distinguished by markers. Bear in mind that the left pedal is reverse threaded and will screw on in the opposite direction of what you might be used to. Match the left and right pedals to the correct crank and tighten them by hand. Then, using the 15mm crescent wrench, tighten each of them down until snug. Next, we will want to align the handlebars and tighten the stem. To do this, stand in front of your e-bike and make sure the handlebars are perpendicular to the wheel. Once the bars look good, use the hex tool to evenly tighten the 2 bolts on the back of the stem. To charge your e-bike, insert your key into the lock on the left-hand side of the bike frame and turn it, allowing you to remove the battery and charge it using the cable included. To reinsert it into the bike, place your keys in the lock and fix the battery back in place, removing your keys when it's secure. To power your e-bike up, press the power button located on top of the battery and then hit the power button on your display controller to turn on your e-bike. Press the M button to cycle through different levels of power assist. Now you are ready to ride.